How to check Snapchat call history. Follow this guide. To start, open the Snapchat app on your phone. Once the app is launched, tap on the profile icon located at the top left corner. Next, at the top right corner of this screen, click on the gear icon. Now scroll down the menu until you find the account action section. Here select My Data option. Once you're inside, you will see a list of options for exporting your Snapchat information. Ensure that chat history is selected. After confirming your selection, hit Next. Now you will be asked to choose the range of date you want to export. Once you have made your choice, ensure the email address is correct and hit the Submit button to proceed. Here you will see the See Export option. Click on it and hit Download to get your data file. Once the file has been downloaded, go back to your home screen and open the File Manager on your phone. Find the downloaded file and tap on it to extract the contents. After extracting the file, open the folder and select HTML. Then click on the chat history. Here you can view all your Snapchat call history, and there you have it. You have successfully accessed your Snapchat call history.